So I've had a bit of an oopsie. Last Sunday, a week ago now, actually 8 days ago, I was riding my motorbike and I come off my motorbike and I broke my shoulder, and I also tore my biceps tendon in half. Well, full thickness tear. There's another word they use for it as well. So, and also the shoulder is a high impact injury. So basically, it broke the bone and then shattered it. I've got to talk to the surgeon. I'm just waiting to see when I can get an appointment with them. Because there's 90%, well, my thoughts are 90% or more that I'm going to have to operate. So I'm going to be off the brush for, I don't know, man, it could be up to 6 months, I suppose. I've had to hire a couple of blokes just to finish this house, and they've been here. This will be the second day today, and I worked yesterday myself, and actually sprayed the skirtings. So in here, I sprayed the skirtings. I could hear my bone crunching as I'm spraying, and but it had to be done. What do you do? So I'm just packing up, and they're just finishing off the few things that need finishing off. Now I wanted to do it by myself, but I obviously couldn't do it. So you've got Gary out there, he's doing the downpipes, and he's done all the stained work out there for me. And then we got Chris, he's doing the rolling. So the only thing left was basically that room there and the 3 rooms down here. So you got 1, 2 and 3 that were left. So all these skirtings I did myself yesterday and just sprayed them out, taped them up. I did a bit of other stuff myself, but I'm just basically just packing up at the moment. Got enough?
Yeah, enough.
Good.
Yeah, definitely. What's that?
You're on YouTube.
Oh.
You're famous. Work fascinates me. I can watch it for hours. That's all good. And I'll just pack up and I'll be off, and that'll be this house finished. And then we'll see what happens. I don't really know what's going to happen at the moment. I really want to talk to my surgeon so I know how long I'm going to be off for. It's the same shoulder that I had my other surgery on. I like the white, it's Lexicon half, and it's just subtle, enough, being subtle enough to look nice. And I love that Feats and Watson clear, it's beautiful clear. So hopefully by the time you watch this video, I'll know what's happening with myself. And yeah, I don't know, I'm sure I've got some footage there I can put on every now and then. But bear with me, I'll come back. I'll come back stronger. So thanks for watching, thanks for all your loyalty, and we'll see you down the track. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share. Bye.